Now we're going to do some punching sounds. As you can see, I've set everything up. All we need is something to actually hit. So the first thing we're going to need is something to punch. We have it right here, a huge piece of pork. Second thing, if nothing else, just for some health and safety, you're going to want at least 1 or 2 of these. So I broke mine, but that's fine. Oh, look at that. I did it without ripping it. Happy days for me. So here we are, we're ready to record our first bit of Foley. All we have to do is hit record, be very quiet, and then punch it. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go into Logic, go to the browser, and pull up some of the files that we've recorded already. So you need some punches. And you'll need some whooshes as well. Now you can probably see here that there's some sounds that we didn't record earlier. These are chest hits and hits to my leg. What I did was I set up my portable recorder and just hit myself quite a few times. And what that allows us to do is have a very low thud sound as opposed to a slap. So what they sound like is... Now when it comes to the EQ, I've barely touched it. All I've really done is taken away some of the high end on some tracks and boosted the low end on others. And that's only because that's my personal taste, and this was all done on headphones. So like I said, with this very minimal EQ, and as you can see from the mix window, there's nothing else really on there. I've adjusted the levels, but that's about it. I've got them sounding like this. Good measure. There we go. Like I said, there's not really much to it. You take a couple of your files, you throw them together, you layer them, which is very important, that's what I was taught, and just play with the EQ. Use the analyzer tool and just go mad. That's all there is to the punches. Don't forget guys, if there's anything you want me to cover that I haven't done so far, just leave a message in the comments, and if it's within my ability, I'll get on it straight away. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.